Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn one of the hidden features called Quick Action. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings here. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Go to shortcuts and accessibility. Here you will find quick action. Just click on it and see quick action is already turned on. If it is turned off, just tap here and it will be turned on. Okay, now you will understand what is quick action. Quick action means some particular task will be performed when you double press the volume down button while your screen is off. That is, while your screen is locked or off, just you can press and hold the volume down button to enable specific features. Okay, so I lock my phone screen. As of now, quick action is set to turn on off flashlight. So when your phone screen is off, if you press and hold this volume down button, what will happen? Just flashlight will be turned on. See here. Yes. So to turn it off, again you go to just press and hold this volume down button. See. Yes. So this is one of the quick action, that is hidden feature to turn on off flashlight. The next one you can set that specific function is now shift to the record. Okay, so I just turn off my screen and I just press and hold this volume down button. What will happen? Recording will be started. See here, recorder is going on. Even if it is locked, recording is now in action. Okay, yes, I stopped it. Okay, now we will see the third one. Okay, so again go to the same settings and just now shift to the another one, open Facebook. So if you have installed or pre-installed Facebook, what will happen? Just Facebook will be open when you long press this, that is press and hold this volume down key. See, yes. Okay, Facebook is now opened. Okay, then fourth one is open any app. You can set up any app. Okay, so here I just set up Amazon and I lock my screen and do the same, like press and hold volume down button, and now Amazon app will be opened. Okay, so these are all the quick actions. Okay, quick actions to do some particular feature. Also quick action for camera. When your phone screen is off, double press the volume down button to launch camera. This is some specific function like to open camera, but here you go to double press the volume down button. Okay, see, yes. So in this way you can easily do some of these specific features using volume down button when your phone screen is off. This is one of the hidden feature most of the people don't know. Okay, if you don't know this feature and now if you have learned it, just you can forward this to the people who are unaware of it, even though they are using this phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.